After spending real time on the TST R002, I can say this pretty confidently. This is the most fun e-bike of 2025. Not because it's the fastest, not because it's the biggest, and not because it's the wildest specs on paper, but because it absolutely nails the fun per dollar ratio. At around $800, this thing punches so far above its weight that it almost feels like a mistake. And I don't mean that in a this is surprisingly decent for the money kind of way. I mean that in a this bike is genuinely enjoyable in a way that a lot of much more expensive bikes are not kind of way. And the biggest reason for that is its size and geometry. This bike is small. It has a short wheelbase, compact proportions, and a low, playful stance that completely changes how it feels to ride compared to a big, long, heavy e-bike. It feels quick, it feels flickable, it feels eager. It's the kind of bike that makes you want to take the long way home, cut through side streets, dart around corners, and just mess around and find more excuses to ride. A lot of e-bikes feel like transportation devices. This one feels like a toy in the best possible way, and that's exactly what makes it so fun. The short wheelbase makes it feel agile and responsive. You don't feel like you're piloting a machine, you feel like you're wearing it. You lean, it leans. You move, it moves. It's intuitive and playful in a way that's honestly rare, especially at this price. It's also very unintimidating. You don't feel like you're managing momentum. You just ride. Push the throttle, and it goes. Let off, it slows. Lean into a turn, it flows through it. It's easy in a way that makes riding feel casual and accessible, not technical or demanding. And yet, it has enough power to feel exciting. The 48-volt system and motor combination give it plenty of snap off the line. It accelerates quickly, it gets up to speed easily, and it has enough torque to pull hills, carry weight, and not feel strained doing it. It's fast enough to feel fun, strong enough to feel capable, and tame enough to feel friendly, and that balance is exactly what makes it such a great everyday bike. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. $800. That price completely reframes this bike. At $1,200, this would be a nice bike. At $800, it's a no-brainer. This is the kind of bike that makes you question why you'd spend more for something that gives you the same core experience. The freedom, the fun, the usability, the joy of riding. It has hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear, which are excellent at this weight and speed. It has front and rear suspension that takes the edge off of rough pavement and gravel nicely. It has integrated lighting, turn signals, and a clean, simple cockpit. It has a big, comfortable seat and usable rear rack area. Nothing here feels cheap. Nothing here feels like it was cut too far. Nothing here feels like it's going to immediately annoy you. It just works. And it works in a way that feels honest. This isn't a bike that tries to pretend it's something it's not. It's not trying to be a dirt bike. It's not trying to be a long-range touring bike. It's not trying to be a luxury product. It's trying to be fun, simple, and accessible. And it absolutely succeeds. For city riding, neighborhoods, errands, cruising, casual exploring, and just general, I want to go ride something moments, this bike is perfect. It's light enough to move easily, small enough to store easily, quick enough to be exciting, and simple enough that you don't feel like you need a manual every time you touch it. And that's why I'm calling this the most fun bike of 2025. Not because it's the most extreme, but because it's the most approachable version of fun. This is the bike you grab when you want to ride, not the bike you plan around. And right now, at this price, that's kind of incredible. If you've been on the fence about getting an e-bike, or you want something that's just pure enjoyment without spending a ton of money, this is the one I would point you towards. And especially right now after the holidays while it's still available at this price. And the reason it stands out right now is because it's more than nice, it's fun. Genuinely, stupidly, grin on your face fun. And at $800, that's a very rare thing.